Hello students, come to your class. Today I am going to teach you the new topic, that is the news bulletin. So if you take the refer the page number 99 children. I have mentioned on the blackboard page number 99. You will be finding the new bit, that is the listening. Listening bit is present in the page number 99. See children, refer the page number 99. One heading is given. What is the heading? Listen to the news bulletin. That means one lesson he has given. Okay, one passage. Lesson we cannot tell. We can tell one passage he has given about the news bulletin. Listen to the news bulletin. Read by your teacher and answer the following question. That means your class teacher, your English teacher. That means I will read the lesson or the passage. You just listen and answer the following question. What he has given, children. 1, 2, 3 questions he has given. So you should have to answer those questions. So let us go to the passage. Now tell me, in which page number the passage is present? You should refer 170, page number 170, children. Take the page number 70, 170. Now, fifth unit is there. Fifth unit, news bulletin. Yes, news bulletin. I have mentioned on the fifth unit, that is news bulletin. What do you mean by the news bulletin, children? What do you mean by the news bulletin? That means, see, all might have heard the FM, frequency modulation. That means radio, I think. You will hear only the audio in that. In FM, you will hear only the audio. If you go to the television, okay, if you see the television, news will come in that. Okay, when appropriate time is mentioned for the news. In that, what is told? What is happening around the world? What is happening in our world? That is explained in that. Okay, they are giving the information about the world. Okay, so what we can tell for those things? Okay, all the news cannot be told in 1 minute. So news bulletin is nothing but the topic is directly spoke in few letters or few words. That means in a news bulletin he will tell. Before going to start the topic, he will just tell the matter. Okay, about what he is going to tell in the news. That is the news bulletin, children. Got, children? Everybody clarified, I think, now what is news bulletin? Okay, the information which he is going to tell in the news. Okay, he is informing that we are going to explain about this. Okay, something is happened to someone. Somebody got the promotion or somebody got the award. Okay, India has won the match, like that. So these are the bulletins. Let us start here. This is All India Radio. The news read by Lakita Ratnam. Okay, Latika Ratnam. This is All India Radio. All India Radio means FM, children. In radio you will hear the voice, no? This is All India Radio speaking Doordarshan. That all is here or not? In the same way, this is also the same, children. This is All India Radio. The news read by Latika Ratnam, means one female lady, I think. She is reading the headlines, children. The headlines first. Headline is what? Heading. See, before we are going to start a lesson, there will be a title, children. In the same way, this also headlines he is going to tell. Okay, I am going to explain about this. I am going to explain about this. I am going to give the information about this. Something is happened in some area. In this way, example I am telling. So they are giving the headlines. So these headlines will not take much time to explain. A half an hour news. Okay, a half an hour news is told. A half an hour news information is told in within few seconds, children. Okay. Next, see here. An unprecedented flood caused havoc in Krishna, Guntur, Kurnool and Mahbub Nagar districts of Andhra Pradesh. That means the headlines are ready here. What are those headlines? An unprecedented flood caused a havoc. Flood, you know, children, more quantity of water spreading all over the area. Caused a havoc. In havoc, we have completed the lesson also about havoc. So havoc is nothing but great damage caused in Krishna, Guntur, Kurnool and Mahbub Nagar districts of Andhra Pradesh. That means never expected, never happened. Okay, a never expected or happened flood caused. Okay, a unexpected, a never happened, unexpected flood has caused a great damage in Kurnool, Guntur, Krishna and Mahbubnagar districts of which state, children? Andhra Pradesh. He told the headlines. Now, the Prime Minister visits the flood affected areas tomorrow. Okay, to that area, flood affected area. Who is going to visit, children, here? The Prime Minister is going to visit those places where the flood affected areas are there. On which day? That means tomorrow. Now the person is reading the news today means he is explaining that the Prime Minister is going to come visit in the next day. Now, India defeated Pakistan in the triangular cricket series held at Brisbane, Australia. That means he is reading the headlines on the children. He is not reading the news. He is reading only the headline. In a short way, he is telling. Okay, what he told first, a great damage caused due to the floods. A great damage, that means a great havoc occurred in 4 districts. Then after Prime Minister is going to visit to those places, to the infected places. Those places means affected places. Next, India defeated the Pakistan in the triangular cricket series held at Brisbane and Australia. Now, children, next one. Now the news in detail. Only 3 headlines he explained in those things. Only 3 headlines he explained. Now the main news is going to be dealt in detail. Okay. Now the news in detail. Massive flood. Okay, massive flood wreaked a havoc in Krishna, Guntur, Kurnool and Mahbubnagar districts of Andhra Pradesh. That means massive, more amount of floods means more amount of massive floods, more amount of floods occurred. Okay, occurred and caused a great damage in Krishna, Guntur, Mahbubnagar districts of Andhra Pradesh, children. Now, water has been released from the dam. Where the water is meant here now? Now the water is released from the dams. From the dams, the water has released. Why? Because if he does not release the water from the dams, what happens, children? The dam will broke away and the water is spread over all the villages and all the villages will face the floods. Okay, children. Now, water has been released from the dams of which dams? Srisailam, Nagarjuna Sagar and the Prakasham barrage. That means these 3 places are most important places in the Andhra Pradesh state, children. Why? Because they consist of big dams. Okay, where the more amount of water is consist of. Okay, about 400 villages have been inundated with flood water. 4 lakh of people have become homeless. The death toll has reached 532 so far. That means where the damage is caused, where the floods have occurred. The floods have occurred in the 4 districts of Andhra Pradesh. Yes. What happened? More water came in, so the dams have released. Okay, the dams of which dams? Srisailam, Nagarjuna Sagar and Prakasham barrage dams have released. Okay, so that because why they have released the water? So that overflow of water have been gathered into the dams. Now, about 400 villages have been inundated with flood water. That means inundated, covered, children. Totally 400 villages. That means many villages. No, 400 villages have been covered with floods. Okay, flood water. 4 lakhs of people have become homeless. 4 lakhs of people have become homeless. And so, whatever the houses they have constructed, no, children, all houses have went into the floods itself. Okay, they have broke down and some are filled with water. So how many 4 lakh people have become homeless. They don't have any home, children. The death toll has reached 532 so far. Okay, many people have rushed away, went into the water due to the suffocation or something. They have died. How many? 532 people have died in this flood infected area. Now turn the page number, children. Turn the page. Last paragraph is here. However, the rescue operations are in full swing. Okay, however, see, this much big news we have heard means whether the government will sit like that only by seeing all this what is happening. No, the government will take many steps to rescue the people who are in the infected areas. Now, however, the rescue operations are in full swing. Means the saving operative people will be relief people. Okay, relief team. We can tell the relief team also. Relief team is nothing but the team, the people who save the lives who are in danger. Okay. However, the rescue operations are in full swing. The people who are able to save for those people who are suffering, they are very taking high risk. Children. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has made an aerial survey of the flood hit areas. The CM, that means Chief Minister. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has made an aerial survey. Aerial survey means children, means he has made aerial survey. That means he did not go near to their homes and he did not go near to those people who are affected. He directly took, okay, like a what you call, like a statistics, like a statistical information he has collected how much areas have been infected with the flood. Okay, now an immediate aid of 2 lakhs of rupees has been announced to the members of the deceased. Okay, they have given how much money they have given? 2 lakhs of rupees. Okay, the people who are infected in the floods. Okay, the people who have caused great damage in the flood, they have given. These people are given how many rupees, children? 2 lakhs of people were announced, means given to those people. Next, a relief of 10,000 rupees has been announced to the homeless. A relief, that means a saving, a money. Okay, a money of 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees has been announced to the homeless people. 10,000. For what purpose they are giving? Just to go and enjoy and eat and come they are giving? No, they are giving just to save their lives by utilizing this money. Okay, children. Now, the CM has conducted an emergency meeting with the respective collectors of the flood hit areas and asked them to set up rehabilitation camps immediately on war footing. That means what is happening, children? Here the government has rewarded. The government is going to reward. Okay, how much? Not reward, children. They are giving the relief of 10,000 rupees for each and every person who is homeless, and the immediate aid of 2 lakh rupees for which people? Those who have deceased. Okay, those who have announced the members of the deceased. Means disease is nothing but it is not a disease, children, who are suffering. Okay, disease means the people who have lost their life in the flood. Okay, the people who have lost their lives in the flood, and the person who belongs to their family. Okay, the person who belongs to their family, the family is rewarded 2 lakhs of rupees. Now, the CM has conducted an emergency meeting with the respective collectors. Okay, if anything is happening, going wrong in the state, means what all the people will do, or what all the politicians will do, who are ruling to that places, they will look after their place. If anything is happened, they will just consult with the another politician, with another leader. Okay, and they are just making the meeting, children. Who is meeting? The CM has conducted. The CM has conducted the meeting. Recently we had a corona. Yes, we had a corona. In corona, what the CM's chief ministers of states are doing? They are consulting with the other states, and all the states chief minister consulting with the prime minister, like that. So they are just making an emergency meeting with the respective collectors. Okay, collector is responsible for the district, children. Okay, respective collectors of the flood hit areas, and ask them to set up rehabilitation. Okay, rehabilitation, children. Okay, this is the rehabilitation. rehabilitation rehabilitation camps. That means reconstruction or repair. Reconstruction. Okay, rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation, children. Rehabilitation meaning is nothing but okay. Recover. Recover. We can tell repair. Okay. Or we can tell children what? Reconstruction. Reconstruction. That means rehabilitation meaning this many meanings will come. It means recover. That means from the lesson we are concerned now. Flood hit areas and ask them to set up rehabilitation camps. Means repair, reconstruction. Okay. Next, immediately on war footing. Okay, they should have to take the steps that what steps they should have to take. They should have to take the steps that they should have to give the. They should have to help those people. If they are homeless, we should have to reconstruct their houses. If they have caused any damage, we have to pay for them to save their lives. Okay, this is the bulletins. Okay, in this way the news were read in the All India Radio or television or whatever it may be. How they will start, children? How they will tell the bulletins here? First of all, they will tell All India. This is All India Radio, read by somebody XYZ. Who is the person reading the news? We can tell for them XYZ person is reading. Next, the first headlines are. Then first what they will do? They read the headlines. Okay, they'll give 5 headlines or 4 headlines, and they'll cover those 5 headlines within a half an hour or whatever it is. And they will deal the news very deeply. You saw, children, in this lesson. So in this passage they have explained about what here? About unprecedented flood areas, about the unprecedented flood caused by a havoc in 4 districts of Andhra Pradesh. So this is the passage, children. Now, if you go to the page number 99, few questions are given, children. So after reading the passage, once again you read the passage, then answer to those questions given in the textbook, children. So with this, I am ending my class. Next class, I will be coming with the new topic.